Alright guys, want to make this quick video. My wife has a 2019 Honda CR-V. She came home and told me that, the panel that's in the console with, the stereo, the phone, all that kind of good stuff, climate, it was stuck on that screen that says, look around your surroundings and make sure it's safe. It was just stuck there. She couldn't change anything. So I looked up a YouTube video, and really the instructions that the guy gave were very convoluted, and actually this is very easy from something I found in the comments section. So leave comments because it really does help people out. Anyway, this is going to be very easy, so pay attention and you should be back started up and everything should be good. Alright, so this you'll find to be black, or maybe it's stuck on a certain screen. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to pop the hood, and you're going to go ahead here, you take the fuse box cover off. This is the fuse box, on the front of the car, driver's side, and you're going to remove the number 19 fuse. And I didn't know what that was, so I had to look up a diagram online, which I will link to. It's this one right here. So you have these three nodes or whatever in the world, and it's the one that has number 15 here. This particular slot, I use needle nose pliers, and I just gripped it gently and pulled it straight out. Once it's out, you're going to go ahead, come in. I'm not going to do these things because I already did it. Make sure the garage door is open. You're going to go ahead and start the car up, and you'll see that it's black, all right, because this is disconnected. Okay, you're going to go ahead, turn the engine off, and then you're going to come back out here. I don't need to show you these things, but step by step never hurts. And you're going to go ahead and push that fuse, this one, right back in, and then you're going to come back in, and you're going to go ahead and start your engine, and then this thing will come on and work. Why does it work like that? I don't know. All I know is that I did it and it works. So I hope this helps you out. Let me know in the comments if it does. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.